Rich, let's do a cold start.
All right. Gotta love them cold starts.
What's up, Richard?
Hey, Mike.
How you doing, brother?
I'm doing pretty good. There's something a little different about your side-by-side there.
Yeah, I had a little mishap, so
Oh, yeah?
while we're at doing some repairs, we'd go ahead and change the color.
Yeah. What color is that then?
It's a F8 metallic green. It's another Dodge color.
Oh,
Remember
okay.
Capri, it was a
I
Dodge.
think I've seen that on the Challengers and Chargers.
Yeah, I thought it would look better. I never did like the yellow, and so I decided to go ahead and change it.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah, it turned out good. Had a couple of little repairs to make. And
Yeah.
other than that, the buggy's back in business, and
And we're going to cover those repairs right now in the video when you did it. So what did you do then? You basically...
I just had a couple little scratches and a little tear in one fender panel on this side right here.
Oh, okay.
Repair on it, and just kind of filled in the scratches, and you know, it's just a base clear type deal, just
Sure.
like any other car. I just kept it simple. I didn't go too crazy on it.
So it wasn't, and this is something you could do on your own if you want to change the color on these panels. It's
Yeah, easy peasy, nothing to it.
are they plastic or fiberglass?
Plastic, and so, but it had when I was sanding it, like a base clear on it. So
Uh-huh.
when you got through the clear, you got into the yellow base coat. So
Okay.
it's just like a car. No
Cool.
different. And so I had some supplies left over. I got the paint mixed up. And
Yeah. How much paint did you have to get?
I got a quart of sprayable, so I
Okay.
had to go ahead and mix the reducer in. So
Oh,
just kept
okay.
it simple.
Well, that's kind of cool that they'll do that.
Yeah, and so I had clear left over from the 70.
Sure.
And so I just mixed it up, shot it.
Okay.
Shot it that side, as you can see in the video.
Right.
The time lapse.
So for a little elbow grease and that, you could change the look of your side-by-side pretty easy.
Yeah, about 3-4 hours worth of work. And
Oh, that's not bad. That's nothing compared to this other stuff you've done.
no, it's easy peasy. But it turned out good. I'm real happy with it. Looks
Yeah.
a lot better.
It's probably the only one this color.
And it probably gave it another 10-15 horsepower too.
Oh, hell yeah, because that's what we're all about at Gray Hair Garage.
Yeah, I'm real happy with it.
Oh yeah, that looks great. All right, and like I said in the video, Mike filmed some of the process, and we'll include that in the video. And I guess right now, Mike and I are going to go for a little ride in this.
Yep.
And we'll film that. Hope you all enjoy it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Gray Hair Garage. Look at that. The old truck's filthy, but looking good. So we're going to show you what's going on today. Rich is out of town on vacation, so it's just me filming. So come along, let's take a look. Well, as you can see, side by side has been torn apart. Yeah, we got a little damage to fix. And while we're at it, while we're fixing it, we are going to change the color. And this is not a tutorial, but we're just going to go through steps, basically fix any repairs. This is basically a base coat, clear coat paint job on these panels. Sands just like a car. And so we're going to treat it like a car, and then at the end we'll show you what color we're going to put on it. But this is what we're doing today. We're all prepped up, ready to go. I put some Bully Dog on the panels. I don't know if it was actually needed, but it's on there anyway. So we're ready to paint. We're going to put you on time lapse. Okay guys, let's kind of look things over. I've already kind of cleaned up, put things away. As you can tell, I'm not in perfect conditions. It's windy, and of course, you know, it didn't pick up until I got ready to paint, and that's usually the way it goes when you're outside. But it looks good overall for a side-by-side. A little bit of trash. Got another one, as you can see in the time lapse. There's one right there. He was pretty big. Hit it with the tape. I might sand it out and just kind of buff it. I might just re-clear a couple of things. I don't know. We'll see. We'll come in here and take a look at the couple other pieces. These are the side panels. Got a little bit of trash, but it's a side-by-side. Who cares? I mean, it's going to get up and get messed up and muddy and dirty and scratched. But for no more money than I got in it, I had a bunch of the supplies already, and you can see this one. I had a little bit of a run right there. Yeah, I might end up sanding this one back down and redoing it, or at least sand this and buff it out. I don't know. We'll see. It's a side-by-side. Who cares? But anyway, turned out pretty good. I think the color is going to look great when you start looking at it from the, you know, we'll look down here, and with the yellow and the green. I didn't want to change the color on the springs on the shocks. I didn't want to do anything like that, but I'm not a big fan of yellow. So I just thought, well, considering the thing got damaged a little bit, I'd fix things and just go with a green. I think it'll look pretty good. We'll take a look at it when we get it all together. It'll take a couple of days for this to dry. But, and then we got some new mud flaps for the sides to extend it. The other side, you can see right here, this little extension right here keeps the mud off of you when you're going down the road. These two got broken. So anyway, we got those going on, and just a few other things. I think it'll look pretty good.
Well, and that's kind of what it looks like after just a couple minutes out in the
Yeah,
woods with it, huh?
that's why I say the paint job's perfect. Paint it outside. Don't worry about the trash and stuff.
Nah.
It's gonna get scratched up,
Yep.
muddy and nasty, and that's what they're for.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Have fun. Hey, brother.
Cheers, bud.
How you doing?
I'm good. Good.
Yeah. Well, that was fun. I enjoyed that.
Yeah.
That side by side's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And I like the look of it. I like that darker green
Much
look.
better.
It's pretty
Much
cool.
better. Yeah.
And like you said, it's not really all that hard. You know, an
Easy.
afternoon to change it.
About maybe 3-4 hours
Yeah.
total.
And it makes it more camo.
Yeah. It is
But,
what it is. It
yeah.
looks better. So
It was a fun episode. I enjoyed. I didn't do any of the work. I got to enjoy all the benefits
Yeah.
of going for a ride,
Yeah.
and it's always a good time doing that. I
For
like
sure.
I like doing the 4x4 and stuff. That was fun. So,
Anyway, guys,
Yeah.
a couple months in, but Happy New Year.
yeah, Happy New Year, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.
Yep.
If you like this video, please like
Subscribe
and share.
and hit that notification.
That's right.
bell.
Don't forget the notification bell.
All right, see you guys.
Yeah, take care, man. Hear me.
Beer. There's beer 30 somewhere.
There you go.
Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro. All right.